Hi, YouTube. Bro, come over here.
Hi. Kind of.
Anyways, how is everybody today? This is Dorito. This is
Cool Ranch. It's
what's like
This is a bear.
Watch this. This is really cool. Stick your finger up here.
That's what she said.
And they are touching.
Look at what I have. Ready?
It made that bar go really red.
Whoa, do it again. That's cool. Isn't it pretty? That's pretty.
And so far, this is 51 seconds and
51 seconds and what?
nothing.
We need light. There's no sun out.
Yeah.
Wait.
Woo! It went through my ear.
Because there was nothing in between to stop it.
Hey! Unneeded.
That was totally needed. I did not do
My arms look really tiny like this. Give a shirt on.
Whoa, my arm looks funny. Check it out. You were gonna touch it.
Should we do floating things? This is a fish tank.
And 3, 2.
Ooh. That was a bit delayed. This kind of sucks. I didn't even bite you. I ran my lip into your shoulder.
So where's the saliva this time?
I don't know.
Are you ready?
I should have my daddy come over here and bring us donuts.
Because it's not like my mom works at Dunkin' Donuts.
Well, my donuts, duh. Or the chicken that you like.
Ooh, chicken. I'm bringing chicken.
Owie! She hurt me!
It was the necklace's fault.
You were holding the necklaces. I'm on a It's a song that's on YouTube. You should watch it. It's College Musical by Kurt Hugo Schneider, I think.
Yeah.
And he has a bunch of awesome videos, like the baby on recorder. Like, dude, I don't
And then
even like Justin Bieber.
Spiel? Not spiel.
Like,
Spiel.
and he can play guitar.
And then there's Sam, who's awesome,
He's a midget though.
but he's funny. And
And
he
half
wants
your
the
face is
bonus
awesome.
TA. I'm sorry, do you want my face in it?
Yes.
Awkward. Ah. She's
Owie! You bit my head!
revenge at last. She always bites me.
I like to bite Brooke.
You can't see my eyes.
No, you look like me!
It's like, I know it was random. It's
I
funny.
don't think I can even do that. You can buzz. Excuse me. No, like buzz when you play trumpet, like.
So, we're going on 4 minutes and 23 seconds.
This video is pretty pathetic.
Yeah, but we're gonna post it.
Yep, and we're gonna make Hyun, if that's how you pronounce your name.
Probably not. It's not. Even though she's the Asian. It's better than how I pronounce it. You don't even want to know. How
Asian.
I did not. It was Hayun.
Hyun. Watch that be correct.
I think I will laugh.
Hey up, we're gonna make you watch it, and we're gonna make.
Yeah.
Who else should we make this watch?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Maybe not. Because then he's gonna think, like, be all jealous because.
I like to bite you and not him. Gross, Brooke.
I'll be good. I am my thing. Move the chair. Woo! Hair. Look at my hair. It's like, ah, whoa. Your leg is really freaking warm.
I like it like that. Oh, my knee looked bony. Dumpy. Owie! No! Ow!
I caught it.
She hurts me. Oh, okay.
This feels really weird. You're like,
Look how big my legs look. See,
and my cleavage on her legs. Oh!
Yes, I did.
Your hands are freaking cold and your legs are like really warm.
I could look really wrong.
Stop it, tickles.
Okay.
She's doing weird things to me.
She likes it.
Not really. Not this time.
Not this time. Usually though. When we're not on camera, we're very affectionate. Okay, we're done now.
As you slide your hand across my boob.
I didn't.
You're done now.
I didn't mean to.
Hey, my hair matches your shirt, kind of, almost, sort of. Briefly.
Okay, this is my deer caught in the headlights. Look.
Gotta look into the light. That's my really high pitched laugh. I'm sorry.
Quack.
Look.
Was that fish?
Yes.
I was gonna do a fish next.
Oh, haha. And sink.
S-I-N-K.
NK.
Oh, does that look like an L? I can't really tell. Is that an L? Yes, it is an L. Okay. L.
Oh.
Wait, we got shift.
Oh yeah, we rock.
We have to shift over. Yeah. Oh.
It's a birdhouse. And I painted when I was up. You just raped my birdhouse. With your finger.
Well, I would need a. Oh my god.
Oh! I leaked Penny from my crotch.
I have a loud, obnoxious laugh.
You do?
Yeah.
Was that a mimication of mine or just a random trying to be yours? Look at that. Dude! It's my glasses!
Yep. Oh, where are my sunglasses?
Don't leave me. Oh, my boobs just like went woohoo!
So, I look really cool with sunglasses. They're a bit too big. She looks better in them only because they probably fit her face better.
Are you kidding me? Now that I see what I look like with them. Not gonna
Nice.
Dabbing my cheek. I can't see anything. Woo, look! I can see.
I see the light.
I was gonna say, it's not turning on. Yeah, it's me.
Oh, hi. So, yeah. This is going on 9 minutes.
And 17 seconds.
A video can be this long?
It stops at 10 minutes, I think.
Oh. Well, we have about 33 seconds left. Who's Knight?
Friend from Gaia.
He's kind of creepy looking.
Very, and he always asks me to cam. I'm just like, fuck no. Okay, anyway.
Is that not allowed on YouTube? Isn't it allowed, like I
What?
guess the code of contact, the F-U-C-K word?
Fuck?
Yes.
Too bad. Okay, we have like 10 seconds left, so goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, comment us. Peace.